planet Earth, a place of incredible diversity, teeming with life in every corner. But beneath the lush rainforests and arid deserts lies a hidden world, waiting to be discovered. A world of forgotten empires, lost cities, and ancient civilizations that once thrived. This is the realm of archaeology, a captivating field that takes us on a journey through time, unraveling the mysteries of our past. Archaeology is the study of the human past through the material remains left behind. It's like a giant jigsaw puzzle, with archaeologists as the detectives piecing together clues from the past. They piece together fragments of evidence to reveal the stories of those who came before us, bringing history to life. By studying ancient artifacts, monuments, and even landscapes, we gain a deeper understanding of our ancestors and how they lived, worked, and worshipped. From the pyramids of Egypt to the ruins of Machu Picchu, archaeological sites are scattered across the globe, each telling its own unique story. Each site holds a unique piece of the puzzle, offering glimpses into the lives, beliefs, and achievements of past cultures, enriching our understanding of human history. Through archaeology, we can trace the evolution of human society, from our earliest ancestors to the complex civilizations of the ancient world, revealing the rich tapestry of human existence. Imagine unearthing a lost city, frozen in time for thousands of years, waiting to tell its story. That's exactly what happened recently in the dense jungles of Guatemala. Using advanced laser technology known as LiDAR, archaeologists discovered a vast network of interconnected Mayan cities hidden beneath the thick jungle canopy. This remarkable find has revolutionized our understanding of the ancient Maya civilization, revealing a level of sophistication, urban planning, and architectural prowess previously unknown to modern science. Meanwhile, in Egypt, archaeologists made another incredible discovery: a 4,500-year-old ramp system that has left experts in awe. This ancient system may have been ingeniously used to transport massive stone blocks during the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The discovery provides valuable insights into the engineering skills and innovative techniques of the ancient Egyptians, showcasing how they were able to create such monumental structures with the tools available at the time. These are just a few examples of the many exciting discoveries being made in the ever-evolving field of archaeology. With each new find, our understanding of the past expands, challenging our assumptions and enriching our appreciation for the ingenuity, creativity, and resilience of our ancestors throughout history. Imagine you thought you knew a story, then suddenly, a new chapter appears, altering everything you believe to be true. That's what's happening with archaeology today, as new discoveries are made. These new discoveries are constantly changing and expanding our understanding of history, offering fresh insights into the past. Take, for instance, the groundbreaking discovery of Göbekli Tepe in Turkey. This ancient site features monumental structures decorated with intricate carvings, dating back to an astonishing 10,000 BC. It predates what was previously considered the oldest known temple by several thousands of years, reshaping our historical timelines. Göbekli Tepe has forced us to rethink our assumptions about the origins of civilization and the early development of religion. Another fascinating example is the Antikythera Mechanism, a 2,000-year-old device discovered in a shipwreck off the coast of Greece. This incredibly complex mechanism, made of bronze gears, has been described as the world's oldest known analog computer. It was ingeniously used to track the movements of celestial bodies with remarkable accuracy, showcasing ancient ingenuity. The Antikythera Mechanism highlights the advanced technological capabilities of the ancient Greeks, challenging our modern perceptions of their scientific knowledge and achievements. Behind every great discovery is a dedicated archaeologist. These individuals dedicate their lives to uncovering the secrets of the past, often working in challenging and remote locations. One such archaeologist was Howard Carter, who in 1922 made one of the most iconic discoveries in history, the tomb of Tutankhamun. This almost perfectly preserved tomb of the boy pharaoh provided a wealth of information about ancient Egyptian burial practices and beliefs. Another pioneering archaeologist was Mary Leakey. She worked alongside her husband, Louis Leakey, in East Africa, making groundbreaking discoveries related to human evolution. Their findings, including the discovery of the 1.8-million-year-old fossil Lucy, helped establish Africa as the cradle of humankind. Section 5. Unlocking Secrets, Methods of Ancient Archaeology. Archaeology is like a detective story. It requires meticulous observation, careful excavation, and scientific analysis. But instead of fingerprints and DNA, archaeologists rely on ancient artifacts, structures, and even environmental data to piece together the past. One of the primary tools of an archaeologist is the trowel. This simple tool is used to carefully remove layers of soil, revealing buried artifacts and features. Archaeologists also use a variety of other tools, including brushes, sieves, and even dental picks, to delicately excavate fragile objects. In recent years, technology has revolutionized the field of archaeology. Ground-penetrating radar, or GPR, allows archaeologists to see beneath the surface without digging, revealing buried structures and artifacts. Remote sensing techniques such as aerial photography and satellite imagery provide valuable information about the layout of ancient sites and their surrounding landscapes. Section 6. Debates in the dust. Controversies in archaeology. Archaeology is not without its controversies. New discoveries often challenge existing theories, leading to debates and disagreements among experts. One such debate centers around the purpose of Stonehenge. Was it a temple for religious ceremonies, an astronomical observatory, a burial ground? Despite decades of research, the true purpose of this enigmatic monument remains a mystery. Another controversy surrounds the origins of Great Zimbabwe, an impressive stone city located in southeastern Zimbabwe. Some scholars have argued that the city was built by indigenous Africans, while others have attributed its construction to foreign powers. The debate over Great Zimbabwe highlights the complexities of interpreting the past and the importance of considering multiple perspectives. Section 7. The Power of the Past. Lessons for the Present. The study of the past is not just about satisfying our curiosity, it's also about learning from those who came before us. By understanding the successes and failures of past civilizations, we can gain valuable insights into our own world. The ancient Romans, for example, were masters of engineering and infrastructure. Their roads, aqueducts, and public buildings are a testament to their ingenuity and organizational skills. By studying Roman engineering principles, we can learn valuable lessons about sustainable urban planning and infrastructure development. The collapse of the Mayan civilization serves as a cautionary tale about the importance of environmental sustainability. Archaeological evidence suggests that deforestation and drought played a significant role in the decline of this once great civilization. This reminds us of the delicate balance between humans and the environment and the importance of responsible resource management. Section 8. The Future of Discovery. Unanswered Questions. Despite centuries of exploration and research, countless mysteries of the past remain unsolved. Archaeology is a field of endless possibilities, with each new discovery raising more questions than answers. What secrets lie hidden beneath the sands of Egypt? Could there be undiscovered tombs of pharaohs waiting to be unearthed? What treasures lie buried beneath the ancient city of Pompeii, frozen in time by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius? The ocean floor holds a treasure trove of archaeological wonders. Shipwrecks, submerged cities, and ancient harbors offer tantalizing glimpses into maritime history and trade routes. As technology advances, we can expect even more astonishing discoveries from the depths of our oceans. Section 9. A Timeless Pursuit. The Enduring Allure of Archaeology. Archaeology is more than just digging up old things. It's about connecting with our shared human history, understanding our place in the grand tapestry of time. It's about piecing together the stories of those who came before us, their triumphs, their struggles, and their enduring legacy. From the smallest artifact to the grandest monument, every archaeological find tells a story. These stories have the power to transport us to different times and places, to broaden our horizons, and to deepen our appreciation for the richness and diversity of human culture. As we continue to explore the past, we can be sure that archaeology will continue to surprise us, challenge our assumptions, and inspire our imaginations. The journey through time is far from over. In fact, it's just beginning.